Namaskar, dear friends. Dear friends, have you noticed what I have done? I had bowed when I entered the room, and I have told you Namaskar. What is this? What do you think about this? What I am doing in these activities? Can you guess? Can you feel what is our mean by which I am expressing my views? It is language. What was that when I bowed? That was symbolical language. And the next one was verbal or spoken language. Anna? So before starting language learning topic, some questions come in our mind. What is the main goal of language learning? What is language? Why is it learned? When is it learned? And how is it learned? So, have you noticed the main goal of language? That is, main goal of language is to make successful communication. So, language may be two types: symbolical and spoken or verbal. So you see that children learn language in both ways, by symbolically and verbally. First of all, how do children learn? They learn symbolically. What do? They indicate some things. Ooh, they do like this, eh? What do? We say them, oh, you want book? अच्छा बुक लेनी है, देखो ले बुक पढ़ेगा ना? In this way, what are we doing? In this way?
We are generating language.
We are providing language to the child, and the child is getting these words. It is not only the mother tongue. We observe that our English language is mixed in our mother tongue. We frequently, unknowingly use English words in our mother tongue. How? As I have described you, when child indicates this object, the child says, ooh, what I say? You want phone चाहिए, लो phone लो, है ना? What is this? In these sentences, I am giving words of English, है ना? So we note that English is mixed in our mother tongue, and it also becomes the child's mother tongue, or we may say first language of the child. And child start to use this language. The child doesn't know what type of language it is. Is it English or is it Hindi? But it becomes the child's mother tongue or first language. And child starts to use the English in that. Okay? So, we see there are so many words in our surroundings which are used as it is. They have no alternate. In a regional language or mother tongue. Like you have noticed, mic, phone, loudspeaker, computer, bench, stool, cinema, seat, bus, car, helicopter, passport, metro, pencil, coat, suit, staff. These words have no alternate words in the first language or mother tongue. So they are used as it is. So we note that English is in vast form in our surroundings. And we generally use these words. Similarly, there are different words in our surroundings which have alternate words in their mother tongue or first language, but in spite of using words from mother tongue, the same word are being used. Like school, आपने नोट किया होगा, विद्यालय मेरे ख्याल से कोई बोलता होगा, सभी स्कूल बोलते हैं, है ना? तो स्कूल इज यूज्ड फ्रीक्वेंटली. सिमिलरली लंच, सब लंच बोलते हैं, कोई ऐसा नहीं कहता कोई मैं दोपहर का भोजन की बात नहीं करता, सब लंच बोलते हैं. तो दीज आर यूज्ड फ्रीक्वेंटली. सिमिलरली कैलकुलेटर, हॉस्पिटल, हॉस्टल, लैब, कॉफी, मैथ्स, बॉल, बैट. कभी आपने बच्चों को सुना होगा गेंद गेंद कहता, बल्ला कहता नहीं. दे ऑलवेज स्पीक बैट और बॉल. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी सी दैट there are different words which are being used unknowingly. We again see English around us. You see at different public places, we see some words written in both languages, English as well as Hindi. As enter, कहीं पर प्रवेश होने का द्वार हो तो वहां पर क्या लिखा होता है? एंटर और प्रवेश दोनों चीजें. कहीं पर एग्जिट, जहां पर निकास के लिए उसके नीचे एग्जिट भी लिखा होता है और निकास भी लिखा होता है. इसी तरह से आपने देखा होगा रोड पर रेड लाइट के पास स्टॉप और उसके नीचे ठहरो. सिमिलरली जहां पर ट्रैप वगैरह लगे होते हैं वहां पर क्या लिखा होता है? डू नॉट वेस्ट वाटर, पानी व्यर्थ न गवाएं. हिंदी में भी लिखा होता है और इंग्लिश में भी लिखा होता है. इसी तरह से वॉक स्लोली, धीरे चले, ये बातें लिखी होती है वहां पर दोनों में. तो इससे क्या होता है? बच्चा तो अपनी जो जिस मदर टंग को जानता है उसमें जो नॉलेज है उसको उसी नॉलेज को इंग्लिश में भी देखता है और इससे उसको सीखने में आसानी होती है. इसी तरह से ये देखो स्लोगन लिखा होता है अपना गवर्नमेंट एड का, 2 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ लाइफ. पोलियो की ड्रॉप्स जो होती है ना, 2 बूंद जिंदगी की, ऐसे लिखा होता है. तो उससे इससे बच्चा क्या कर रहा है? इंग्लिश अपनी मदर टंग की हेल्प से इंग्लिश सीख. वो क्या कर रहा है? नोन टू अननोन. चाइल्ड कैसे सीख रहा है? फ्रॉम नोन टू अननोन. उसे पता है, हिंदी में पता है उसको सेव गर्ल टीच गर्ल कैसे ये लिखा हो, तो उसको हिंदी में पता है बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. तो वो जहां पर भी ऐसा ये लिखा देखता है तो वो कहता है, इसको सीख जाता है और क्या यूज करने जाता है? सेव गर्ल टीच. ओके, so in this way our children learn from the surroundings. Similarly, if we use pictures for learning and teaching, our textbooks have different examples. We may see very first page of our my book of English Thor. Their picture is given and we may ask students about the picture. What do you see in the picture? Will you tell me what do you see in this picture?
Some tree.
Tree.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Tree. And another thing? Children. What are children doing?
One girl is sitting there.
One girl is
Sitting under a tree.
sitting under the tree and others?
One is looking at
One boy is
The
looking
girl is also reading.
magnifying glass.
Okay, one is looking at the tree.
at the tree.
Eh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And other, what other child is taking? I think
Lens. He has a lens.
magnifying lens. Anything else you see in this picture?
It is a
One
butterfly.
boy note down. There's a big
What is
cat.
this?
There is a big cat.
There is a cat also. है ना?
बिल्ली है सर, बिल्ली.
बिल्ली को क्या? What do we say बिल्ली in English?
Cat.
हम बिल्ली क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
Cat.
Cat. So ये कैट है, बिल्ली है हमें बिल्कुल. कैट है यहाँ.
Butterfly.
बटरफ्लाई,
Two butterflies.
ओ टू बटरफ्लाई, तितलियां है ना। तो ये इस तरह से what do we see that children learn in this way. We can use picture for learning and teaching. How can we make communicative competency in our students? Can you imagine? Can you tell me? Come. We are going to teach our students English language.
We have
सर हमें उनसे इंग्लिश में बातचीत करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Very good, very good. कैसे communicative competency? How can we develop communicative competency? It can be done only by
environment to the children.
providing the required environment. What is that required environment? We should provide English in the surroundings,
In classroom.
in classroom. How can we do that?
By communicating.
By communicating in English.
English.
By communicating in English. So our children will listen that language. Students will listen that language,
Yes.
and they will speak that. You know, children are clean slate. They know nothing. What is an object is called? What they call the object? What they listen. If we say, बेटा किताब, ये किताब है, तो they start to say किताब. If we tell them that open your book, yeah, what is this? This is a book. So at that time they learn that this object is book. They don't learn pustak. So what is our duty? That we should give the English word to our students. Similarly, this one is another object.
Mobile.
Mobile. Nowadays it is known as mobile or phone.
Cell phone.
Cell phone. Actually it is cell phone, but we don't call it cell phone. We generally, what do we call it? Mobile. And they get this word mobile. They know nothing about cell phone, but they know that this one is mobile. Okay? We can take some examples of do's and don'ts. Some sentences should be given to the students, like play on the road, walk on the right side, spit on the road, throw garbage here and there, walk on the footpath, run on the road, cross the red light, work hard, plant the trees, cut the trees. Some sentences should be given to the children, and we should ask them that write these sentences in columns, do's and don'ts, like this. We should use zebra crossing. We should not spit on the road. The child can take another sentence. Walk on the right side. We should not. इसमें लिखा जाएगा. We should not walk on the right side. Next, throw garbage here and there.
We should
Yes,
not
we should not
throw garbage
here and there. Walk on the footpath.
Yes.
Don't.
We should
Walk on the footpath. Do not cross red light.
we should not
Where should we do this? We should not
cross red light.
cross red light. Okay. Similarly, cut the trees.
We should
We
not
should
cut
not
the
cut the
trees.
We should not
cut the trees.
plant the trees.
We should
should
plant
We should
the
plant the
trees.
In this way, we can do such type of exercise, do's and don'ts. Similarly, we can say to our students that they should make groups of 4, and they should write different do's and don'ts, as we have done earlier. Poster making on do's and don'ts. We can give some sentences, for example, and ask our students to make poster for school on do's and don'ts, like throw torn papers here and there. So they should write on the poster where in do's and don'ts. So do not throw paper here and there. Write on the wall.
Do not
Do
write.
not write.
Do not write on the wall. We should give such type of hints and sentences to our students, and they will write them on the poster. They will make poster of to display in the school. Similarly, public are requested to do like, please keep clean, please wait for your turn, please switch off the lights after use, please give change, please come in queue, please keep away from the doors, please do not litter. In this way, such type of sentences are given to the students, and then we can ask students framing an appropriate request. मैं अब आपसे पूछूंगा, देखिए, you can read this sentence. A counter where every day a lot of people come, and hint is given in bracket, come
In queue.
queue.
Please come.
Please
Please
come in
Queue.
queue. Please come in queue.
Queue.
Similarly, a religious place where shoes have to be kept out, a place outside the premises.
Please
Keep
keep your
your
shoes
shoes
outside.
here.
Please keep your shoes here. Next, a medical ward in a hospital where patients take rest. Hint is keep quiet.
Keep.
Please
Make a
keep
request.
quiet.
Please
Make a
Please.
request.
quiet.
Please
Please keep quiet.
Please keep quiet.
a roadway near a hospital. Again, do not honk.
Please
Please do not.
Make a request.
Please do
Please.
not
Do not
honk.
honk.
Please do not honk.
Please do not honk. A park where a party is being organized. Hint is save
plants.
plants. What
Please.
request will you make?
Please
Please
save
save
Please save
Plants.
plants. Please save plants.
Plants.
आपको क्या करना है? खाली उसके आगे please word use करना है ना? तो in this way we learn to make request. We can learn grouping of things. In this way we can enhance our vocabulary. Write words associated with school. You can see in the slide
Principal sir.
school के साथ principal. Very good. Next,
Teacher.
Classroom.
school teacher,
Teacher.
Classroom, sir.
school classroom,
Playground.
Students.
school playground, school students, and
Library,
school
sir.
bus, school bell.
Blackboard.
No, we will take that in class. Next, I give you classroom.
Then blackboard.
Now
So
you have to write classroom in the middle, and you are asked to write different words associated with that. Classroom के लिए बोलिए.
Bench.
Blackboard.
bench,
Classroom के साथ bench,
chalk,
blackboard,
Duster.
duster, chalk.
Chalk.
टीचर भी आ सकता है क्लासरूम, है ना? स्टूडेंट्स भी आ सकते हैं.
Students.
Bag.
बैग.
projector,
Okay. Next we take bag.
Bag.
Now you have to group things with bag.
Bag.
Books.
Books.
Notebooks.
Copy.
Pencil.
Group.
Pen.
Pen.
Pencil.
Geometry box.
Pencil box.
Lunch
है ना?
box.
Lunch box.
Lunch.
Very good. Okay. In this way,
water bottle,
water bottle. We keep those things in our school bag. Colors. We can also group things with the word color.
Color.
Can you tell me names of colors? We can write different names of colors. Blue, green,
Green,
black,
green,
red,
yellow.
white, है ना?
yellow,
Yellow, like this we write. Similarly, family.
father,
Father.
Father, mother, है ना?
Mother.
उस वर्ड को लिखेंगे बीच
Son.
में, और उसके साथ डिफरेंट एसोसिएटेड वर्ड्स लिखेंगे. सो इससे क्या होगी? हमारी वोकैबुलरी एनहांसमेंट. Okay. So in this way we see that there are ample examples of English around us. we can use these in learning and teaching English. Okay, thank you.